कि फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट क्या है, व्हाट इज द टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, किस तरह से हम डिफाइन करेंगे टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट को, क्या बेसिक क्राइटेरिया है टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट को, और इसकी डेफिनेशन एंड टर्मिनोलॉजी को। देन इंट्रोडक्शन, द फर्स्ट दैट इज व्हाट इज द TQM। तो TQM टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट को, it is hard to believe that the current approach to Japan's quality improvement program has changed the balance of the present trade situation between Japan and the rest of the world। यहाँ पे देखिए क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट प्रोग्राम के बारे में बात की जा रही है। It is evident that one of the most important aspects of Japanese quality improvement is the Japanese approach to quality management। तो Japanese quality improvement is the Japanese approach to quality management। Japanese companies have the developed quality improvement, that is short form is QI। QI stand for quality improvement in various stages, that is in the form of inspection after product to new product development through the stages of process control। The Japanese way of QI has been described by Ishikawa in 1985, then Sullivan 1986 and Yoshikawa 1987, who have pointed out the importance of the 7 stage of QI। QI क्या है? Quality improvement। Even now, the value of effective QI has not been fully realized by many industries। In fact, हम बात करते हैं आगे, तो in fact some people still think that is the role of quality department। They do not realize that the QI is a QI, हमारा क्या था? QI quality improvement की बात की जा रही है, is the way of life and human aspect of it requires a great deal of education and training at the all levels। बात करते हैं आगे, तो अगर हम improving quality की बात करते हैं, is very often regarded as an activity which is going to increase cost। This view confuses the term used in industry concerning quality and grade। Improving या rising the grade of product relates to the use of more expensive material या processes to produce a product and will raise product cost। तो overall that is improving quality means, यानी improving quality means among other things making less faulty products। Important, that is less faulty product with the same amount of effort or cost, which usually gives a lower unit cost। तो हम ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहेंगे क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट प्रोस्पेक्टिव से कि उसके अंदर जो है वो फॉल्ट बहुत कम हो। यानी 100 प्रोडक्ट बनाए आपने मैन्युफैक्चर किए, तो 100 में से आपके 2 या 3 जो है वो प्रोडक्ट में आपका फॉल्ट आया। तो इस तरह से हमने इंप्रूवमेंट की और प्रोग्रेस करेंगे। तो और जो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग है फॉल्टी प्रोडक्ट की in the United Kingdom has been estimated as a 10% of the gross national product। क्या कितना है? 10% of the gross national product and several thousand of millions pounds, that is Dell and Blanket 1991। Improving quality aims to reduce this cost। Improving quality का जो main aim है वो reduce the cost, and this cannot be achieved overnight but requires an investment to be made in activities which are designed to avoid defective production, which is defined to defective production, and not activities designed to detect defects after they has been made। तो क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट जो है वो अलग अलग कंट्री जो होती है वो प्रोडक्ट की रिगार्डिंग करती रहती है। आगे बात करते हैं, तो जो प्रॉब्लम इज नोइंग दैट in what to invest, that is system technology peoples, and it is which seems to have beleaguered Western industrialists। The search for the key of quality has been going on since the Japanese made us aware that we had missed something out along the way। आगे बात करते हैं, तो जो वेरियस एनालिसिस हैं जापानीज सक्सेस के, वो उन्होंने हैव अटेम्प्ट टू कंडक्ट द इफेक्ट ऑफ वन पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी hence fashion of quality of circles or statistical process control. The latest quality has been developed the concept of total quality management, which may well provide to answer the problem. The keynote here is that the achievement of quality should not be considered to be a separate activity from the achievement or production. तो इस तरह से टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट में हम लोग क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट पर वर्क कर रहे हैं, वर्क करते रहना चाहिए। जापानीज जो है टेक्नोलॉजी ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा इस पर वर्कआउट किया है। मैनी लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है आल्सो ट्राइंग टू एनुमुलेट द जापानीज अचीवमेंट ऑफ देयर इन देयर कमिटमेंट टू क्वालिटी, और each is developing its own approach, and they and may give a different title to its effort, but each has similar elements to total quality management. And further, the development of the total quality management in America started at the beginning of 1980, when American companies realized that not only Japan but also the Korea and Taiwan were coming forward with quality product and service to capture the American market.